As of December 2025, Tesla allows non-Tesla electric vehicles to use its Supercharger network. Tesla's goal is to accelerate EV adoption by enabling cross-brand access to reduce range anxiety. This video will guide you through adding your non-Tesla EV to the Tesla app to access these charging stations. Let's begin exploring this step by step. First, download the Tesla app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Create a Tesla account if you don't already have one. This account is free and required to manage your charging sessions and payment information. In the Tesla app, navigate to the Charging or Supercharging section. Look for an option like Add Non-Tesla Vehicle or Charge Your EV. You'll need to provide your vehicle identification number, make, and model. Tesla may require you to upload proof of ownership for verification. Tesla uses AI-driven verification to confirm vehicle ownership and prevent fraud. This may involve uploading documents or undergoing biometric checks within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. This is a one-time requirement. Once your vehicle is added and verified, use the app's map feature to locate nearby superchargers that support non-Tesla EVs. The map shows your location and highlights available stations with real-time availability. Note that not all superchargers are compatible. V2 stations remain Tesla exclusive, so always check the app details before heading to a station. With the Supercharger, use the Tesla app to start a charging session. You can initiate charging via NFC by tapping the charging connector on your car or directly through the app interface. The app monitors charging in real time, displaying the current charging rate and estimated completion time. Adapters and compatibility considerations are crucial for using Tesla superchargers with non-Tesla electric vehicles. Your non-Tesla EV must be compatible with the supercharger's charging connector. Most modern EVs use the Combined Charging System, or CCS, while Tesla uses its own proprietary connector. If your vehicle uses a different connector, you'll need an adapter. Tesla provides a $500 adapter in select regions to convert between Tesla's connector and CCS systems. Compatible vehicles must be electric and equipped with standard charging ports, such as CCS1 or CCS2. These are the most common fast-charging standards for non-Tesla EVs. Tesla's Supercharger network uses DC fast charging, capable of delivering up to 250 kilowatts of power for rapid charging sessions.